In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF in Master PDF Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to a document up here after you have your first document open, and then you want to click on that and click on Insert Pages. From here, you can then add your PDF files you want to merge. So for example, I'm going to click on here and just select a few of these I have over here. So with just some sample, I'm going to actually click on this one over here. You can do multiple if you wanna, by just basically clicking on the first one and then holding down your control key and clicking on all the other ones as well. Okay, now whenever you do that, click on open and it's going to load in your files here just like this, and you can see the page range and then total pages, stuff like that, the size as well. And then over here you can of course modify these. You can move them up or down depending on where you want them to be. And then here you can set the position, so after current page, before current page, or of course after or before a first page or last page. So click on the one you want, and then you can also select if you want to import bookmarks, stuff like that. I'm just going to leave it like this, and notice how I currently have 4 pages on my PDF document. And if I add these two in here, I can press OK. They're gonna get added, and as you can see, I now have 6 pages. So that's essentially how this works. That's how you merge PDFs in Master PDF Editor. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.